Brad Williams, Excel Prime, using the if function. We're going to check the salary, and if it's greater than a specific number, we're going to put some hard-coded output. Very simple. We've gone over this quite a few times, but this is just a review. We're going to use the if. We have some names. We have a salary range. If your salary is greater than X, then put Y. Here, we hard-coded this. You know my opinion about hard-coding. I would do a quasi-filter up here and put some parameters along with the outputs. Why? Because you're going to have to go in here and manually change this, and then you're going to have to copy it down. And there's just more steps for possible mistakes. And the goal here is to avoid mistakes. But the overall input, if C5 is greater than 95 grand, just put well above average. Otherwise, put average. No big deal. Over here, if C5, we have a scale. What does it mean? Not a darn thing. Just practice. If C5 is less than 100 grand, C5 times 6%. Otherwise, C5 times 8%. Last, if you can see the nightmare here. The point of this tutorial is look at the input, look how long it's going to take, and then you have to change it. Come up with a better means of data entry. Put your quasi filters in here, however many you want, add more rows, add whatever this hard-coded stuff is. Be sure to identify it. If it needs change, you can just do it locally instead of having to go through here and change. That's the point of this particular tutorial, is always trying to streamline, always trying to implement different tools. Okay, over on the right, we're just dealing with nesting. We have this string here. We could do this in a number of different ways. If this is your style, then play around. Use different operators. Incorporate whatever works for you. If you like hard code and stuff, then so be it. A lot of people say, never hard code. I really don't care what they say or think. Implement whatever style you want. If you're more comfortable and the results are correct, use whatever style you want. Whatever floats your boat. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.